It is Keymee K. If this is your first time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I know it has been a long time, but I am back into it. So we're gonna be doing another hair tutorial today. This unit is gonna be from Klaiyi here. I've worked with them so many times, and their curly hair is like the best curly hair. So this is gonna be a curly hair unit. So with this unit, you do get your a box, of course, comes with your wig and your goodies inside. So you have wig caps, you have the duck clips, you have the eyelashes, and then there's another wig cap inside. So you get a total of 4 wig caps. So this is gonna be the wig right here. It is gonna be their honey blonde highlight lace front wig. It is pre-plucked. It has brown lace, and then it is going to be a jerry curly unit. In the front, it does have baby hairs, and then you're going to have 2 combs on the inside, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So with this unit, I didn't have to cut any ear tabs. It fits perfect. Perfect. If you have a medium average size head, it fits perfect. So I did not have to cut any ear tabs once again, which I freaking love. As far as the unit goes, it does not have a straight across hairline, so it is going to kind of manipulate your hairline, so it does look very good and natural. Also, it does say this unit is pre-plucked. I did not pluck this unit at all, so that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my eyebrow razor to go ahead and cut off the lace. I like to do this off the wig now. I like to cut the unit without putting it on my head. You will see me in another video where I leave the lace on. But for the units that have like the new brown lace or that clear lace, for me it's easy to cut it off rather than put it on and then go down because it kind of bundles. So this is what the unit looks like on. Like I said, it's medium brown. You are not going to have to apply any powder or foundation to this lace because it just melts. Look at that. It melts right into the skin. So I'm going to go in with the Got to Be Glued in the white bottle, and I'm going to be using this to lay the hair down. I'm going to be doing, I think I did it 2 times. So I'm just going to put that across the head 2 times. No, actually I did it 1 time. I did it with the gel, and then I went in with the spray. So I did a total of 2 times, but I did 1 of each. So that is what the bottle looks like. So I did the black gel bottle, and then I did the hairspray. And like I said, you do not have to pluck this unit. So this right here was like an easy freaking slate. And then of course it's curly hair. Usually with curly hair, you know you don't have to do too much. So now I'm just pulling out the ear tabs. Not the ear tabs, the sideburns. Pulling out the sideburns. Then it's gonna tie this unit down and let it dry. I pulled the ear, like the sideburns down so that it'll kind of have to give it a grip, so that I wouldn't have to hold the hair down and then kind of air dry. After that, I'm going to be applying some water and some Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to put that all through the hair. I wanted to kind of bring the curls back. I did wet this hair down, and I think I prefer like how it is all natural and kind of thick and stuff. So I did let the hair air dry, and you will see that towards the end of the video. Now I'm just going to be applying some concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm going to put that in the part, because as you can see, the part is non-existent, but when we apply our concealer, you'll be able to see that part. And then I'm going to go in with some powder on top. I do use the shade 362 Truffle, and that is also by Maybelline too. Like I said, this unit right here was so easy. I mean, really, I just cut off the lace, applied some gel and concealer, and that was about it. So that's, like I said, this is how the unit looks wet, like fresh after shower. The curls are pretty and everything. And like I said, I wanted to have the hair in a natural state, very poofy, so I did finger comb this unit out, and this is what it's given. Do you see that? It's so pretty. The color is everything. I love the color. I love the placement. With this unit, you are gonna get a lot of shedding. I did not get any tangle, but I did get a lot of shed. So when you get this unit, I did it straight out the pack, but when you get this unit, make sure to deep condition it and brush your unit, because you are going to get a lot of shit out of this unit because it has been processed, you can tell. But overall, this unit is such a gorgeous unit. I freaking love the color, and hey, it's here for spring and summer. You know, we love this kind of color when it's this time. So make sure to click the link down below in the description box. I also have a coupon code that I will put on the screen that you can go ahead and use. And if you do want to order this wig, they do have this in payments, so it'd be $56.47 per payment, and I do have the 20-inch unit wig. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.